All right, we're doing a creek fishing challenge. We're gonna see who can catch the biggest and the most. So, stay tuned and let's catch us some fishes. All right, we're hooked up. I have no idea what this fish is, but he is super pretty. Look at the collars on this guy. It's orange. Looks like a pumpkin seed, but he's really thick. Normally, I don't see pumpkin seeds that are this color, but he is really pretty. So, let's get him going. That's one for me. So, better do better, Nate. Number two for me. We're hurrying up because we got two bass on beds in here. And they're decent bass in this little tiny creek. So, another one of them really pretty fish. He isn't as bright, but he's decent. I'm gonna let him go over here so he don't pull us off. But decent one. Buddy knew exactly where to go, though.
Yep. There was a bass right there. I seen him right there, and they swam under. One swam into there in that deep part.
But there's number three for me, and Nate's got nothing. So another one of these fish. This ain't coming out, but
Got same thing Austin did. That's number one for me. Oh, no slimy.
number four for me. Where you at, Nate?
One.
Another little creek chub looking thing. So let him go. Majestic little release, and watch this. Number four. About to happen. Just saying. That's barb deep. As I was saying, you take it up there and you flip it up by them trees. Don't stab yourself with the hook, but right there is why you do it. And that right there is a number 5 for the Austin Blackshire. May have been the one I just caught, but still a pretty fish. And right back in the same spot. But he might not be stupid this time, but let me give you a demonstration again. Take this thing. What the heck? Was it right by them trees? Let it sink. Switch it a little bit. And miss one. So we got a little update. Started pouring the rain, and we're going back.